Want the latest Spotify features and performance improvements? In this guide, I'll show you the fastest way to update Spotify on any Android phone in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. Begin by opening the Google Play Store. Before updating, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection so the download finishes without any interruptions. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Spotify. As the results appear, tap on the official Spotify app to open its page. Now, take a look at the button next to the app. If you see a green update button, that means a newer version is available. Simply tap Update and the Play Store will automatically download and install the latest version for you. During this process, you don't need to do anything else. Just give it a few moments to complete. After the installation finishes, the Update button will change to Open. That's your confirmation that Spotify has been updated successfully. Tap Open to launch the app and start using the latest version. Updating Spotify regularly helps improve performance, fixes bugs that may cause playback problems, and gives you access to the newest features and enhancements released by Spotify. It's also a good habit to keep your apps updated for better security and compatibility with your Android device. If you don't see the update button and only see open, don't worry. That simply means your Spotify app is already up to date and you're using the latest version available for your phone. That's how you update Spotify on any Android phone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe and check out more quick Android tutorials.